Example problem 4 reads, how many moles are in 5.23 grams of calcium? So we're told that there are 5.23 grams of calcium, and we want to be in moles of calcium. So we can go from grams to moles in one step because grams is treated like something with a prefix and moles is treated as a base unit. So draw our multiplication symbol, draw our division bar, bring grams of calcium down, and moles of calcium goes on top. In 1 mole on the periodic table of elements, calcium is element number 20. There are 40.08 grams of calcium. So grams cancels and we're left in units of moles. So in your calculator, you'll type 5.23 divided by 40.08, and that's going to equal 0.13 moles of calcium. Let me know if you have any questions about example problem 4.